Guys, if you're watching this from Ayamara, please subscribe to our brother Samson, the roadman.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson, the roadman, and today guys I'm here at my cottage. You can see I'm really sweating. Yes, because like I've been telling you guys, like the builders haven't been able to come to actually complete building the wall fence. It's in the afternoons here, actually almost evening. The sun is there, almost settling. It's 5 p.m. So we are here at my cottage, and I want to actually I've actually put it upon myself that I'm actually going to complete building the wall fence myself. So what you can see here, let me just show you. So the part that is remaining is this one, from the entrance here going all the way to that corner up there. It's about 40 meters. So I need to build like 10 more courses from here. So I've started here. Yes guys, and wish me luck, so that nothing should go bend, you know, like you shouldn't like go like this, you know. So please support me, and I'm actually going to do it myself. Yes guys, and well, I have a bit of can I say experience? No, not really. Yes, I've seen how people build, and I've actually built a number of things before. So yeah, I'm actually going to try to build a wall fence for the first time. So wish me luck. And yeah, so what I want to do, I'm actually going to start here at the entrance to raise this pillar over here. This is the entrance pillar over here. You can see the other is right there. So we have to raise this one. I'll go slowly by slowly. I'll start by raising my 2 courses or 3 courses here, and then I go with each line up to the end, maybe 2 lines up to the end, 2 lines, let's say not up to the end, but 2 lines up to this pillar, maybe again, until we reach that far. Okay, but you can see there's a gap there, so just this evening I want to sort out. So I'll do, I'll complete this part on the other side here, which wasn't done, you know, that part over there. It's from there to here, which is 3 courses, about 2 courses that needs to be done. So actually going to do it, I think, today, and then show you guys how it's going to look like, and it will give me courage if I should actually continue, you know. So building in Africa is not easy. The builders that we hired, for some of you that have come into the channel for the first time, the builders that we actually hired came, worked all the way until we reached there, and then because we gave them a day off to say, okay, now because we don't have the materials, like the blocks, we had run out of the blocks, so we told them to say tomorrow, the following day, we're actually going to buy material like the blocks, so you should come the day after that. And then that was it. So they found some other job somewhere, and I've tried to contact those within the circles, but it looks like all the builders are quite busy at this particular time. We are heading towards Christmas. The year is actually ending, and this is the time people actually build because it's raining, and the structure becomes even stronger, you know, when rains actually shower it, you know. So yeah, I'm also going to try and do that. I will do it personally because I have an idea, but wish me luck. Let's see how this project is actually going to finish. Okay, if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification, so that whenever I do post a new video, you guys won't miss like any single of my upload. Okay, so yeah, you can see how beautiful this is. Our area here, that's our little cottage, and then that's our beautiful land over there going all the way down that side. Okay, I want to appreciate those that have actually been coming to the channel to support. You know, I really appreciate you guys. I don't take your support for granted. Please keep supporting me. I'm your Zambian YouTuber, and for those that are new, I do content relating to real estate, traveling, and also interviews with farmers. So farming content is what I do as well. So yeah, but let's try and see, build for ourselves, you know. I'm actually going to build, guys. I have this confidence in me that, hey, I can actually do it. So wish me luck. Let's see how we progress from here today. Okay. Yes guys, we're here. Beautiful Africa. This is where we have the beautiful sunshine. It's saying goodbye. you know, like this is almost evening, so the sunshine is just saying bye bye, you know. So yeah, let's go. I'll keep you guys posted. All right guys, so let's continue with our work here. I've made this here. Yes guys, so this is where we are. We actually intend to finish this part, like 3 courses here. So there's one that has been done already, and I'll show you guys as we progress. Okay, really sweating here already. Early morning. Is it early morning? Yes. Okay, so we're already sweating, but let's see how far we actually go today. Okay, yes guys, so today is a beautiful day. Like I said guys, we've started building on this side. This part wasn't here yesterday, so this is the part that I've started working on, and let me share with you the progress so far. Okay, you can see these 3 courses, they are not here yesterday, going all the way to there. So this is the works that I've been able to do today. Yes guys, take a look. So I'm actually going to continue on this part. Let me show you this part here. This part I still have to lay one line so that it matches, like from the entrance to this side, and then I can go to the entrance and build on that pillar and then continue from there. So I need to finish this one, this course here, the 3rd course. Just to go all the way to this one, to this corner here. Okay, so that's how it is. So I'm going to go all the way that high. Imagine. Wish me luck guys, wish me luck. Okay, so I've put this twine here, the builder's rope, I don't know if that's what they call it. Yeah, so I'll be following it religiously guys, following it just to make sure that the wall fence is straight, straight things. Okay, so it's a beautiful day today. Hope we can actually be done with this and then we move to the pillar, because the pillar, that's where a lot of work is, because especially with the way it is shaped, if it was like the other one, it could have been easy, especially for me. But that one is a little bit tricky because it's not like in the, is it a square kind of shape? It's a bit, I don't know if you may say bend, you know. Yeah, but it's not that straight because the plots are going like this instead of coming like straight. So yeah, let's see how we progress from here today. But you can see the works that I was able to do, that I've been able to do so far. Yeah, but let's move to this next stage and see how we are actually going to do. So I'm just putting the blocks here, blocks. Okay, blocks from this power here. So 20 blocks so far. Yeah, okay, I'll keep you posted guys as we progress. Okay, thank you so much. And please, if you want to support me, make sure that you support me by subscribing to the channel, and also give super thanks if you can. I really appreciate. And yeah, if you want to donate to the channel, you want to give something as a viewer of this channel, or somebody that has gotten a field information. Actually, the last video that I did guys, I actually showed you plots that are being sold at 50,000 kwacha per piece, you know. So yeah, cash you pay 45. Those are good plots. They are located where there's a certain university which they are building there. so you can have like good business. So check that video out if you haven't, you know. So you can hear some noise. There's a school here, you know, at that's just the next plot, next piece of land there. They built a school. Okay, so yeah, keep watching guys. I'll keep you posted as we progress. Okay guys, so let me give you another update right here. Yeah, so let me just show you what I was able to do. You can see from this side. I'll show you from the outside as well. Yes, so this is our work for today. Anyway, I'm still going to continue, but this is what I was able to do today. I'll show you going down this way. So here again I've laid one line from that side to here. You can see. So I'm still building here. I just want to level it up because these are 4 courses. The first 4 courses that we have done have to be completed, because on this side we never completed. There were 3 courses. So now I'm sure you're able to see there's that first block there, second, third, and the 4th one. I'm the one that just laid it going all the way down there. So this is the 4th line. You can see from there. Yeah, so let me just go for lunch and then I'll come and continue. But now I'll come and continue from here. Here I finish up this panel here with this one line, and it will mean we would have leveled it up like that all the way. So now what I will do is I'll spend my afternoon on the other, at the pillar there, at the entrance pillar, so that I actually go and raise at least 2-3 lines, and then I can put the string on those 3 lines all the way up to here. Okay, and then I'll build a little bit from there, and then I'll continue from here going down this way. Okay, so at least this is what I was able to do until lunchtime, but when I'm back I'll actually keep you posted guys on how far we're actually going to go for today. Okay, so keep watching and give me the courage guys, so that I actually continue. Yeah, but I think I'm doing fine. No bend walls. Yeah, so far anyway. Yeah, I know how these like wall fence, the taller it goes, the more problematic it becomes. Okay. Yeah, I think let me say this guys. So far at lunchtime I've laid 60 blocks. That's how many blocks I've laid there. Okay, so let's see how far we are actually going to go guys. I'm very excited. I pray that this goes well, but I know like my God is capable and you direct me as I proceed, you know, and the little knowledge that I have, I hope it helps. Okay, so yeah, let's continue watching. Guys, it's raining cats and dogs here, and it has been raining like this for the last almost 40 minutes. So my works have stored. You can see right there at the entrance, that pillar, I've raised it with 1 course. Yeah, just trying it. I was hoping I could raise up to 3 courses, but now the rain started, so I'm stuck, you know, and I have a lot of material that I've already mixed. So these rains have actually, you know, like disturbed me too much, and my material is actually going to go to waste now. See, that's where the problem is. So on the other side there, I've actually done a good job, I think, but I wanted to start here. I wanted to start there, so that I'll be able to put the strings all the way up to the other wall on the other side, attach them to this, and then I'll be going two courses this pillar, two courses that pillar, just like that until I reach that far. The following day again I do two courses like that. Maybe in the next 5, before the weekend actually, we can be done. So I'll need a helper. Maybe let me find a helper. Maybe that can easy things up, because the work that is tiring me the most, I think for now, is mixing the cement and the building sand, you know, and also the water issue and things like that. So those are the things that are actually taking me aback, you know. So we'll see how it goes. Let's hope the rains will disappear soon. But this type of rains is not that one which actually stops like all of a sudden and then the sun shines again. I don't think so, but hey, we pray that it stops so that I continue, so that my material is not going to get wasted. Okay, so I'm actually going to let you guys see the progress for today. Hopefully if the rains don't continue pouring like the way it is right now. Okay, you can see in the road there's even that little stream, you know, a little stream over there. It's crazy. So yeah, we'll see how things go for today, guys. Otherwise, so far so good. I'm happy. Okay.